Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the video. Today's vehicle is a 2016 Ford Escape. It's in for a full detail, so let's have a look around.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Before we get to the video, you guys need to know what a special treat you're in for today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Lord Mike, Mitch's better looking and much more successful twin brother, and I'm here to give you my entertaining commentary while Mitch works his butt off getting this nasty vehicle cleaned up. I got my box of Timbits, so I'm good to go. Now, I picked an old video like this because I kind of figured I could make fun of Mitch a little bit while we watch. So without further ado, let's jump right into this quick fix video. Oh, it's pretty dirty. Gross. I don't know how people do that with their vehicles. What the heck? We're skipping half the vehicle already. Yeah. Typical Mitch cutting corners. You know, you guys might not know this, but I actually detail vehicles too. I think I do a much better job than Mitch. He's not actually very good. Ooh, I like this part. Can I just say something? I don't like white vehicles. Don't ask me why, I just don't like them. Have you guys ever had Timbits? These are my favorite food. Well, besides Sour Patch. Oh, so good. Timbits. I'm at Tim Hortons. Lucky I live close to one, so I go there all the time. Oh man, he didn't even have his own stuff back then. I think he missed a spot there. Yep. Definitely did. Jeez, we're already washing already. You guys like these quick fix videos? They're a little too fast for me. Ooh, so you guys probably know, you watch the other videos, Mitch gets asked the same question all the time, like all the time on all of his videos, whether or not he cleans the tops of the vehicles. Now, personally, I don't think he does. I think he's a little bit lazy and he doesn't really want to go the extra mile and clean the tops. Although, I'm not really sure how he gets away with that, because in the reveal shots, they're always clean, but whatever. That's just camera magic, I think. Ooh, anything gross in this one? Garbage? No, not really. Not really. Which is your favorite video that he's done? I think mine was that Kia van. Because there's, I was sad watching that one. There was so much candy that was wasted. Can't waste candy, that's sacrilege. And Timbits too, you can't waste Timbits. Duct tape on the vacuum. You're not very cool. Shouldn't do that. Oh, some of you guys have wanted to know which one of us is older. The answer is we disagree on that. I'm older. He says he's older. I don't know. I don't remember. I kind of like this too. Sucking up all that nasty water. Some of these vehicles he does, oh my god, are they disgusting. I've helped him with quite a few. Between you and me, I'm kind of the main part of this whole thing. Like, you guys see how much I help. I mean, I help him all the time. Drawing. Well, mostly it's just drawing, but you know, that's a hard part. It takes a long time. This one isn't all that dirty. I mean, the outside was, but the inside doesn't look all that bad. Still using that steamer, hey? Guys, chocolate is by far the best flavor. I mean, onion dip's pretty good too. But there's just something about the chocolate glaze that's just, it's just so good in my mouth. Ooh, the powdered ones. Have you ever had the powdered ones? With the little, they got a little like raspberry jam or something in them. Those are pretty good too. What the heck? This video is almost over. Why are you going so fast? I thought we'd have time to like make fun of you. I don't know. You know, I think I would have done a better job. I really do. See, I wouldn't have dropped that. I would not have dropped that. I can control my hands. I wouldn't have dropped that. Yep, I'm better. I'm a better detailer. Hurry up, I want to see what it looks like. You guys like to shine your rims? I like a shiny rim. Okay. Pretty clean, pretty clean. I'll give him that. I'll give him that. Not bad. Okay, not bad. Ooh, there's snow in there. I wouldn't have left snow in there. Nope. 153,000 kilometers. That was only like a 3-year-old vehicle. Holy moly. People drive. Nah, I would have done better. Nope. Well, I guess I'm getting kicked out of here, so you make sure that you tell Mitch down in the comments that you like this video, and maybe he'll let me do another one day. Okay, well, back to the couch.